Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial section, I'm going to explain about the convert entities command. For that, I have drawn a sketch and extruded like this. And now I'm going to select this face and you can click on sketch from the pop-up window or select sketch from the command manager. And to make it into a normal view, press the space button and select the normal, or else from the graphics toolbar select the normal command, or else just press Ctrl 8 from the computer keyboard. And now go to the sketch and now I'm going to select the convert entities command, and here it asks me the entities which is to be converted. So I'm going to select a circular edge here and the other circular edge and give a check mark to it and click on the exit sketch. And now my entities has been converted into a 2D sketch, and with these 2D sketches I can convert it into a 3D feature by using the features such as extrude. And you can also select by using the chain type. I want this entire chain to be selected, so I'm going to give a check mark to the select chain option, and now just select the line, and my entire chain has been selected and it is converted into a 2D sketch. And with this 2D sketch I can able to convert it into a 3D feature by using some 3D feature tools.